Waffles. I like to have waffles in the morning for breakfast and also have them other times as a snack. Welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make Cripsy waffles. My name is Ella. Today we're going to make waffles. Ingredients are melted butter, egg, butter, buttermilk, some baking soda and baking powder, sugar and flour. First, I pour the melted butter. Next, the sugar. Next, I'll pour my egg. Then next, I'll stir it. Add a teaspoon of vanilla flavor. Using a hand mixer, mix the ingredients together. Keep mixing the flour, and then I'll add my dry ingredients. Salt, baking powder, baking soda. Then I'll add half of my flour. Using a hand mixer, mix the ingredients together. Next, add the buttermilk. Keep mixing. Next, I'll add the remaining flour. Using a preheated waffle maker. Grease the waffle maker with oil. I'll use this cup. Scoop a little. Next, I'll cover my waffle maker. Then I'll wait for it to be ready. Time to check my waffle. Hey, my waffle is ready. It looks yummy and crispy. Next, I'll need a plate. Then we're done. 1, 2, 3. My waffle is ready. Does it look beautiful? Next, I'll add my syrup. Top of my waffle. Then next, I'll add my banana. Friends, did you enjoy how I made the waffle? Would you like to try this at home?
If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. See you in our next video. Thank you.
Remember to hit the subscribe button
and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss our videos every Saturday. Thank you.